How to outsource SEO, easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to outsource SEO. So let's get started. First of all, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and today I'll show you how you can outsource your work, outsource your SEO of your website, of your e-commerce store to rank your store higher and not do anything yourself. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to understand what is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it helps our website rank higher in our Google search result. And if you work on your SEO, it will help you grow your business and you will be able to get more traffic and eventually sell more products and make money. And when it comes to outsourcing any work, it is also known as automation, and we also call it outsourcing. So when we have a business, there are a lot of things to take care of. For example, I have an e-commerce business and I am running a business on my own. So I have different products to take care of. I need to take care of the shipments, of the drop shipping, everything. And at the same time, I have to work on SEO. So I don't have time for that. And in that case, what we can do is we can outsource our work and we can hire other people to do that job for us. And it's very cheap too. You just need like a basic investment and you will be able to actually get better results. So how to do that, where to find the people to outsource the work, and what people we need, like what are the different jobs that are available in SEO that we need to fill in order to work on our SEO of our website. So for that, I'll take you to a freelancing website known as Fiverr.com. So what you guys need to do is just simply go to Fiverr.com, or you can also go to the Upwork.com. You will just simply go to any of the freelancing website. So I am on Fiverr.com. Create your account for free. These are completely free. You don't need to pay anything or any like something like that. You just need to create an account and we will be hiring people from here. Fiverr has all of these different niches available for us. You can see it has graphic designing, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation. Then we have music, programming and tech. And then we have, if I go in trending, we have SEO, search engine optimization. So I'll open it up to show you that how it works on SEO and how we can hire people in order to outsource our work. So the first thing is that what are the different things that are involved in SEO? Well, there is off-page SEO, on-page SEO, keyword research, technical SEO, competitor analysis. Then we have full SEO package and voice search SEO. So there are different gigs, there are different people with different skills available on Fiverr that will work on my off-page SEO. Someone will work on my keyword research. So these are the different aspects that play an important role in our SEO, in our search engine optimization. So you can see, first of all, we have off-page SEO, on-page keyword. Now it depends on me that if I want to hire people, different people for different jobs, or if I want to hire just one person for all of it to save money. So we have a full SEO package. So I'm going to open this one up. So it's all about saving money and helping you guys. So I would suggest going to a full package and checking out that if someone is providing you everything, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, computer analysis, and they're also working on the same platforms that you suggest. So this is going to be perfect. So I have searched for a full SEO package, and then we can do is we can actually customize our search. So we have service option, that what kind of services they are giving. Then we have seller deal, budget, and delivery time. So it depends on me, and I can actually customize my search with my budget. So let's say that I have a budget of maybe like $100. For this, I have $200, $300. So I can just add the minimum amount and maximum amount that, okay, I do not want to exceed this, and I want someone within this amount. Now, let's check out the people, and you will be amazed how skilled these people are, and they're not that expensive. So you can see they are actually top rated people on Fiverr, and they're verified people who are working for like years on Fiverr, and they're actually experts in their niche. So you can see that these are all people with full packages available, and they're actually giving us in maybe $200, $300. You can see right here. They are expensive as well for $1,000, $2,000, but you can see that these ones are not that expensive, and they're like full package. Okay, so I can go with other people as well, like separate, but let's check out someone with a reasonable price. Now shout out to all these people working here, and we will just open up someone randomly with not that expensive. Okay, so this one is round about maybe $300 or something, or $200, and you can see they're pro verified, and they say I will do monthly advanced SEO service for Google ranking. So they're working on the audit, they're working on page SEO, link building, and reporting. So this is what we need for a basic SEO. Then we have this person right here. I will be your SEO expert to rank for your website on Google first page. And he's also not that expensive. You can see it's like maybe he's actually cheaper than this person, and he has 5-star rating. So I'm going to open up this person, like how to hire someone. So you just open up their gig. These are all different gigs created by different people, freelancers on Fiverr. So I'm just going to open up their gig right here, and we'll check it out. You can see they have a page. I will be your SEO expert to rank your website Google first page, and then we have like this one. So you can see this is like their gig, and I can check out what they will be doing for me. And we have all of these different things, such as like on-page optimization, bad link removals, technical SEO, off-page strategies, guest posting strategy. Then we have keyword research and delivery time. So this is a pretty impressive gig right here that we have. And you can just, simply hire a person. You just click on continue, and after that you just hire them. So this is like a team that they have. Actually, you can see I think there are like 3 people in this, and they do this thing for you for just $200 or $300. So I can just outsource my work really easily by hiring this person. Now this is $200 and $300. Let's actually go back and let me show you how cheap it can be, and people will work for you for $10 per hour, $5 per hour as well. So let's just go with an open search engine optimization search, where we will have more people. There are more than 50,000 people right here, and I'm going to set a budget now. So the maximum budget that I will go with is going to be $50. Now $50 is going to be around about, okay, and I'm going to click on apply. All right, so you can see these people, oh my god, look at this one. This is, I think, $20, and they have 5 stars. I will do 150 manually high to block commenting. Then we have SEO, do follow backlinks, 4.9 stars, and this is also like $20. Then we have this one like for $30 or $40. So this is really cheap, and I can outsource my work for really cheap prices on Fiverr. So you can go ahead and check out fiverr.com and search for search engine optimization. Hire the people of your choice that will work for you in different niches. We can also go with competitor analysis, and we have technical SEO too. If you want to do voice search optimization, then you can just go with this option. Customize your search from here. That will actually help you find the best people that land within your commands, within what you want. And so you can see we have different people. Now it's really easy. You just create an account on Fiverr and find the people here for your on-page, off-page SEO. And you can also hire a full package where people work for you for $200 or $300 one time, and then your website will rank higher. When it comes to working on SEO, it will help me grow my business. And if I have an e-commerce store, or if I have a website on WordPress, I have an e-commerce store on Shopify. So you can also hire like people for a specific platform. You can see this person is saying that I will do pro Shopify SEO for ranking on Google, that your store should rank on Google, and she can do this for you for just like for $20, I think. And this is pretty impressive. So this is how it works, and you can actually find people for different specific platforms, for different specific reasons, and for different skills, and this way you will be able to work on your SEO and build your website or e-commerce store really easily and outsource your work to save time and to automate your work. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.